Why is right now urgent to contact past cleaning clients? Holiday guests are coming and they feel the need for a clean home right now. Don't make them work to find and refer you. If they have to work, if they have to go looking for your phone number and your website and wonder what your company name is, they're going to call your competitor or they're going to think you're out of business. Don't leave it up to chance. This is your job to fix this problem. There's one big difference that I've seen over the hundreds and hundreds of cleaning companies that I've worked with over the last 10 years between successful and struggling cleaners, and that is regular contact with clients and referral sources. And this is even more so for the companies that are in the high end or even the above average price. And the cheaper companies, not so much, but especially the companies that charge average to higher prices. This is a key factor that I see between all of the most successful cleaning companies, no joke, all the time. And this is done through sending postcards, newsletters, and emails to the past clients and referral sources. Now, yes, text messages and voicemail drops and phone calls are important too, so don't let me discount those, but they can't be done as often as a postcard, newsletter, and email, and I recommend that you do it every 2 or 3 months. If you don't, they forget who you are, and you can't really brand yourself to those clients. Now, the thing that I want to get through to you right now is that November, going into the holidays, is the number one time to contact those past clients, those realtors, those flooring retailers, and any other referral source who is either in the position to refer you, that you want to refer you during the holidays, or that has referred you in the past. Right now, they're getting bombarded with referral questions of who they should call for cleaning because it's that time of year, guys. Here's the thing. Your competition is not doing this because most of them are not successful. And if you want to be successful, I recommend that you take what I'm about to tell you to heart. And I'm going to show you some examples here. So this is an example of a postcard that is an educational type postcard. We educate them on the reason getting cleaning is more than just removing the spots. It's making a great first impression. Most people understand this subconsciously, but we want to go ahead and put this out to them and let them know that this is what's going on. They need to book early for cleaning. You're going to be super busy, and the value of getting the cleaning done. On the other side of the postcard, we add tidbits about our referral program. We also give them a light special offer. It doesn't have to be anything big, but a little bit of a light special offer. And really just about staying in front of them and educating them. We also have some other more image type of marketing pieces that just come through and let them know that, hey, you need to get cleaning before and after Thanksgiving. People are going to come over. You've got things going on. This is just a quick reminder to involve your company, by the way, too, in their holiday and to let them know that you're there for cleaning. Also, talk with a light special offer, talk about the referral program. We're doing these for our ad club members and printing these, designing these and printing these for 1,000 of them for around $88, $2,500 for around $135, $5,000 for around $205. We've also got some 4x6 inch versions available, $500 for around $51, $1,000 for $53, $5,000 for $120. And again, the same type of message on the other side. Now, these smaller 4x6 inch postcards can be sent yourself if you'd like to. We've also got plans where we can mail them for you with our mail house so that you don't have to label them, you don't have to mess with them. But if you want to do them yourself, a 4x6 inch postcard is ideal because they can be mailed with the standard 35, I believe right now it's a 35-cent postcard stamp. We've got lots of different variations, but it's all about just involving your company with their holiday, reminding them about cleaning and staying in front of them, reminding them about your referral program, staying in front of them so they don't forget you. They don't know that you're still in business. Let them know. Wish them that happy Thanksgiving. Let them know. Remind them that they need to book cleaning now and book early. We've also got regular newsletters, tri-folded newsletters available as well that we send for our clients with the same type of message. Also greeting cards that can be folded if you want to make a bit more of an impact. They're a little bit more to send out, but not much more. But they can make a huge impact in mailing these out to your past clients. Also, too, holidays, because what you want to do, and really the key to all of this, guys, is start mailing them now if you haven't already. And then you want to also, obviously going to show you some emails in just a second, but you want to also go ahead and prep for after the holidays, because that's probably going to be your slow time. Don't start mailing them after it's slow because they won't remember who you are. Continuously mail them so that when you are needing to contact your past clients for a job in January and February, they'll already know who you are. So some email examples too of those same types of themes, those same types of offers, so that you can actually email all of your clients. By the way too, we have some software right now inside of the Ad Coaching Club where we can have all of these popped into your profile to where you can email all your clients. The email's already done. Your logo can already automatically be popped in with little to no work on your behalf to be able to mail your past clients. We also have Facebook posts with that same theme. So picture this. This is kind of, really how a campaign works is we're mailing them a postcard with that same theme. We're emailing them with that same theme. We're posting on Facebook. We're all over the place. That's how a campaign works. That way your client cannot forget who you are. And when we do all of these, yes, of course, all the print materials are full color, front and back. And we can even mail them for you, label them for you for around 45 cents total if you're mailing, usually at least 500-600. However many you've got, we can mail. But this is, the prices do vary based on how many that we're actually sending out. If you're doing this, if you're staying in front of them every 2 or 3 months, how could they not hire you? If you're educating them, if you're involving your company in their holiday, how could they not hire you? Now also too, real quick, just to touch on neighborhood marketing. This is really important, especially if you have a high-end neighborhood that you want to hit, where you're giving them a message of, we just cleaned for your neighbor's house, or we mail this same postcard to everybody in the zip code, by the way, not just this one neighborhood and this not one street, but we let them know that we just cleaned here. And on the other side, we give them a little bit of a light special offer, talk about our guarantee, talk about everything else that we're doing. We also have some new postcards that just go and brand yourself as the neighborhood cleaner. In this case, this is a water restoration postcard, but we've also got some for carpet cleaning, maid service, whatever service that you would like to fill that in. It's super easy to fill that in. But basically, it's just coming back in front of them and saying, hey, by the way, we're the neighborhood cleaner of this level, and here's a light special offer. Staying in front of them, giving them that educational message. When you do all of this stuff, all this stuff works together to be able to give you more referrals, more frequent cleanings from past clients, and higher job tickets from your past clients, and even the future clients that you're going to be getting. So if you have any comments, questions, ask below this video. There are some free bonuses right now going on in the Ad Coaching Club. I'll put the link up over here too below this video. When you sign up, we got some great free bonuses. All the templates for all of these postcards, email newsletters, all of this is done and available for you inside of the Ad Coaching Club. You get one design free per month. Plus, we help you get the EDDM done. We help you get the client mailers done. We can mail them for you. We make sure it's done for you. We help you through the process. It's pretty seamless. If you've got questions, give me a call at 850-474-1110. You can also shoot me an email. To sign up for the Ad Coaching Club, go to hitmanadvertising.com/coaching.